Hi guys! In today's class, we're going to learn how to find out LCM of given numbers pretty quickly. I've taken directly 4 digits here, but you can apply the same method to 2 digits, 3 digits, and whatever you can. Let's proceed quickly and figure out how to find out the LCM for these given numbers. So, we have been given 4, 8, 16 and 32. Here we pick up the lowest digit. We pick up the lowest digit. Here we pick up the highest digit. Correct? So highest digit is 32. So between 4, 8, 16 and 32, 32 is the highest digits. So the greater the digit, check the greater digit if it is divisible or if it comes in the table of 4, 8 and 16. Does 32 come in the table of 4? Yes. Will 32 come in the table of 8? Yes. Will 32 come in the table of 16? Yes. Which means 32 is your LCM. LCM is 32. Now this was really very easy. Let's increase the level of difficulty a little bit more. You have 5, 7, 14 and 28. Let's see what we do here. So we have 5, 7, 14 and 28. Now when we are going to find out the LCM of these numbers, again you pick up the largest digit. Which is the largest of the greatest digit? Which is 28. Now you check which tables, like 7 times table, will it have 28? Yes, you can cut it off. 14 times table, will it have 28? Yes, so you can cut it out. Now you're left with 5 and 28. 5 is a prime number, so 28 will not come in 5's table. You simply multiply 5 into 28. You will get 140, and therefore you can say that your LCM is 140. Now I'm writing this, but you can actually do these things pretty mentally. Okay, now let's go to the next question. So we have 5, 15, 20, 30. Let's take the number. So we have 5, 15, 20 and 30. Correct? Now again we pick up the greatest digit, which is 30. 30 is the greatest digit. Now, will 30 appear in the times table of 5? Yes, it will. So you will cut it off. Will 30 appear in the times table of 15? Yes, it will. So you will cut it off. You're left with 20 and 30, and we very well know that 30 will never appear in the table of 20. So what are we going to do here? We will go to next. 30 times 2 will give you 60. Now check. Will 60 appear in the table of 20? Yes, it will. So then your LCM is 60. Easy? All right. Now, let's see one more example. We have 9, 18 and 13. What are we going to do? 9, 18 and 13. Again, as usual, we are going to pick up the largest number. Largest is 18. Will 18 come in 9's table? Yes, it will. So you cut it off. Then you're left with 18 and 13. 13 is a prime number. There is no way 18 can appear in the table of 13. So what are we going to do? We are simply going to multiply 18 times 13. 1 times 1 will give you a 1. 8 plus 3. If you do not know this technique, you should follow our other videos where we teach this technique as well. It is faster to multiply for any kind of Olympiad, competitive exams, everything. So 8 plus 3 will give you 11 and 8 into 3 will give you 24. So this is going to give you 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3 and this is a 4. So this is your LCM. I think pretty fast. Now let us go to one more example. We have 6, 12, 17 and 18. This is a typical example where you apply all the methods. Let's check how we do that. So we have 6, 12, 17 and 18. Again, we are going to pick up the largest digit. What is the largest digit? 18. Now, will 18 appear in the table of 6? Yes, it will. So what will you do? You will cut the 6 off. Now go to 12. Will 18 appear in the table of 12? It will not. So what are we going to do? We are going to go to the next 18 times 2, which is 36. Will 36 appear in the table of 12? Yes, it will. So cut this off. Now, will 36 appear in the table of 17? No. Even if you continue writing the table of 18, none of the numbers are going to appear because 17 is a prime number. It will not accept anything else. So what are we going to do? We are going to multiply 17 times 36. Now, as I always say, if you know how to multiply any other method, please do that. Otherwise, you're going to write down 3, 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 6 is going to give you 27, and 7 6 are 42. So your answer is going to be 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6, 1, 2. This is your LCM. I hope you guys have understood these techniques. We at E.A.S.E Education, we are continuously working on the fact that the numeracy skills of all the students should improve, for which we keep sharing such kind of techniques on Instagram, on YouTube. So follow us, see these kind of techniques and apply them in your regular studies. We also have upcoming classes to teach you these kind of techniques. If you want to know more about our classes, connect with us on these two numbers. We will reply to your queries and let you know the immediate batch where you can join our coaching classes on the improving your numeracy skills and making sure that you ace any kind of competitive exams, making sure that you are always the winner on any kind of math Olympiad. I hope you enjoyed this session today. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.